guys, I heard something in the, I'm in the beach in the night, so and I saw a strange sound. Be sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and give it a comment. Make sure to subscribe or else something strange is coming after you. Good luck.